Hello, everyone. My name is Keith Jackson, the creator of Jack's Math Notebook. And what I want to talk to you today is about the title that you see below you, A Nickel's Worth of Improvement. Did you know that you really don't have to improve all that much on a daily basis? And in fact, all you have to do is improve by 5% of 1% every day. And to give you an idea how small that is, think of having $100 and then pulling $1 out of that $100. That $1 is 1% of the $100, but then guess what? Then you pull a nickel out of that dollar. And so that dollar essentially is 1%, and that nickel is 5% of that $1. And that's all you have to improve by on a daily basis, provided that you remain consistent, that you stay true to what you want to do, and that what you want to do is meaningful. Now, let's take, for example, let's say you like practicing piano, you like playing the piano and you enjoy practicing every day. What if you just add one more minute, just one more minute to your practice session? And what's great about that, you can stay at that 1 minute for about a week. And then let's say at the end of 1 week, you want to practice for 2 additional minutes, so on and so forth. That's all you have to do. Or when you read a book, and let's say you read a book for, let's say, 365 days, only reading one page a day. Guess what? You're 365 pages better than what you were at the beginning of the year. And that's what it means to improve by 5% of 1% each day. And that's why I design my videos the way that I do, short and sweet, colorful, and they're designed so that you can improve by that 5% of 1% on a daily basis. You can bring that to the classroom and you can learn something new and you can add to your repertoire of knowledge. You can build up your concept base. And here's what happens. And think about it like this. If you improve by, let's say, 5% of 1% every day, that means in 20 days, you would have improved by, guess what? 1%. Okay. That means in 40 days, 2%. That means in 60 days, you improve by 3%. Now, guess what? Your progress is getting to be noticeable at that time because you will see 3%. Now, let's fast forward to, let's say, 120 days. And at that time, you would have improved at anything you do by 6%. Then you move on to 180 days and you're improved by 9%. And at that point, your friends and family start to see the improvement in you. You start to feel it in yourself. You start to feel confident. And guess what? 180 days is not quite half a year. All right. It's almost there, but it's not quite. And just think about at the end of the year, you would have improved by over 18% just by sticking to that 5% of 1% on a daily basis. Hopefully, I've given you some food for thought, something to think about. And with that in mind, I will let you go ahead and think about it. And I'll end right here by saying you can always be better than what you thought you were going to be, just as long as you practice doing the things that are meaningful to you. With that in mind, you have a great day and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.